Sony has consistently been a driving force in the mirrorless camera market, pushing boundaries in both photography and videography. With their full-frame lineups, from the groundbreaking A7 series to the high-speed A1, Sony has consistently set industry benchmarks for sensor innovation, autofocus intelligence, and video performance. Despite this dominance in full-frame, the company's APS-C lineup has historically been more conservative. Cameras like the a6900 delivered stability and reliability, while the a6700 introduced meaningful but incremental improvements. Yet, many professional photographers have long awaited a true APS-C flagship, a camera capable of delivering uncompromised performance for hybrid shooters and high-resolution enthusiasts alike. Recent leaks suggest that Sony may finally address this gap with the highly anticipated Sony a6900. Across multiple insider forums and rumor reports, the a6900 is being described as a potential game-changer for the APS-C segment. Unlike previous iterations, which often felt like transitional models bridging entry-level and full-frame cameras, the a6900 is rumored to be designed as a full-fledged professional tool. It aims to deliver high resolution, exceptional speed, advanced autofocus, and robust video functionality in a single, compact APS-C package. This would mark a significant shift in Sony's approach, elevating the APS-C format to a new tier of professional performance. Sony has historically taken a measured approach to APS-C upgrades, releasing new models only when meaningful technological leaps are possible. According to leaks, the a6900 is still in mid-development, with a potential release window spanning late 2025 through 2026. Timing is critical. Competitors like Fujifilm have aggressively advanced their professional APS-C cameras, offering high-resolution sensors, hybrid shooting capabilities, and cinematic video features. For Sony, the a6900 could answer these challenges, signaling that APS-C cameras can be more than entry-level tools. They can perform at a professional level across both stills and video. At the heart of the rumored a6900 is a high-resolution APS-C sensor, potentially around 40 megapixels. This would represent a significant increase over previous 24MP models, positioning the a6900 among the highest resolution APS-C cameras ever produced. However, the camera's capabilities aren't limited to pixel count. Sources indicate that Sony is likely focusing on readout speed to minimize rolling shutter, an issue often associated with high-resolution crop sensors. Leaks suggest the use of a partially stacked sensor design, allowing faster data transfer and burst shooting without the heat and power limitations typical of fully stacked sensors. This would improve live view responsiveness, enhance electronic shutter operation, and make high-speed photography more practical, particularly for wildlife, sports, and fast-action work. The image quality of the a6900 is also expected to be a standout feature. Leaks point to improvements in dynamic range, tonal rendering, and highlight management. Skin tones, skies, and textures should appear more natural, while high ISO performance is rumored to benefit from a refined processing pipeline that reduces noise while preserving fine detail. Unlike aggressive noise reduction algorithms, Sony is reportedly focusing on retaining natural textures and gradation, making images suitable for professional print work, commercial use, or large format output. Driving this performance is believed to be a new Bions XR processor paired with a dedicated AI processing unit. This combination could improve startup times, buffer clearing, and live view responsiveness, while also enhancing autofocus, stabilization, and intelligent shooting features. The AI component may provide enhanced subject recognition, predictive tracking, and automated adjustments, making the camera more capable in challenging real-world conditions. Video functionality could be where the Sony a6900 truly distinguishes itself. Rumors indicate the camera may support 8K video recording, a first for APS-C cameras. Even if limited, this would allow oversampled 4K footage with exceptional detail. More practically, it is expected to offer full sensor 4K video with minimal crop, oversampled to enhance sharpness and reduce artifacts like moire. Additional video features could include 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, high bitrate codecs for flexible post-production, refined S-Log and Cine profiles, and improved thermal management to support extended shooting sessions. Cinema-focused enhancements such as LUT import, shutter angle control, focus assist improvements, and zebra patterns could further solidify the a6900 as a hybrid powerhouse. Autofocus, a hallmark of Sony cameras, is expected to see major upgrades. The a6900 could feature a dense phase detection AF system covering most of the frame, combined with next-generation AI-driven subject recognition. This would deliver faster, more accurate tracking for humans, animals, and birds, while providing smooth focus transitions during video recording. Predictive algorithms may improve performance in dynamic or unpredictable situations, making the a6900 a reliable tool for professional photographers and hybrid creators who require precise performance under pressure. In-body image stabilization is also rumored to advance, potentially offering up to 8 stops of compensation. Combined with electronic stabilization, this could enable handheld shooting in low-light or high-motion scenarios. Documentary filmmakers, vloggers, and run-and-gun creators would benefit from this flexibility, allowing for professional-looking results without additional rigs or external stabilizers. Ergonomics and handling are said to receive thoughtful upgrades. The a6900 may adopt cues from Sony's full-frame cameras, including a deeper grip for improved balance with heavier lenses. A fully articulating touchscreen could support vlogging and creative shooting angles, while an upgraded electronic viewfinder with higher resolution and faster refresh rates would enhance the live view experience. Button layout, tactile feedback, and heat management are expected to be refined, allowing comfortable operation during long sessions. Weather sealing and a magnesium alloy chassis could further ensure durability in challenging environments, making the a6900 a reliable professional tool. Pricing remains speculative, but rumors suggest the a6900 could retail between $1,700 and $2,000. Positioned above the a6700 but below full-frame flagships, it would target creators seeking professional-grade features without the weight, size, or cost of a full-frame system. By combining high-resolution imaging, intelligent autofocus, robust video capabilities, and stabilization in a portable APS-C body, Sony could make the a6900 a compelling option for hybrid shooters, small production teams, and serious hobbyists looking for professional results on the go. Strategically, the a6900 could signal a shift in Sony's APS-C philosophy. Traditionally, APS-C cameras have been positioned as entry-level or transitional tools for photographers moving toward full-frame. Even though Sony has not officially announced the a6900, the leaks provide an exciting glimpse of its potential. If even some of these rumors prove accurate, the a6900 could cement Sony's leadership in APS-C mirrorless technology and challenge full-frame dominance in certain professional workflows. The camera represents more than megapixels or raw specifications. It reflects the intelligent integration of performance, usability, and versatility. For creators seeking portability, hybrid performance, and uncompromised image quality, the Sony a6900 could become the definitive APS-C camera of 2026.